Welcome to a word in season. Let's read this particular verse from the mouth of Jesus. In Luke 14:28, it says, "For which of you intending to build a tower does not sit down first and count the cost, whether he has enough to finish it? Lest after he has laid the foundation and is not able to finish it, all who see it begin to mock him, saying, this man began to build and was not able to finish." In our world today, people are attempting all kinds of things. They are attempting career, they are attempting marriage, they are attempting friendship, partnership, business, all kinds of things. And then you can look around and see a lot of wreckages today too. Things not finished, things abandoned, things spoiled. And Jesus said something, said, whatever you're going to do, sit down first and count the costs. You know, many of us, we want to do things, we look at the benefit, we look at the blessings, we look at what we are going to get as gains. But do you count the cost? Do you count what it will take you to go through? Do you count what it will take to get it done? Do you count what it will take to even follow through each day into what you are doing? For instance, you are thinking of getting married. Have you counted the cost? You know the cost. The cost of staying together. The cost of blending to one. The cost of living together. The cost of meeting needs, responsibilities, and stuff. Oh, you are thinking of working that company. You are looking forward to it. But do you count the cost of the time, of the effort, the sacrifice that are involved? Oh, you are planning to leave where you are working, start your own business. Do you count the costs? They call it out there cost-benefit analysis. You know, they didn't start with benefit, they said cost-benefit analysis. You look at the cost, you look at the benefit. Now, if you don't estimate the cost, the benefit may not even appear at all. Because like that man that was building the tower, he get up there, they didn't count the cost, he started building, and he couldn't get beyond the foundation, everybody started mocking him. People don't have to mock you in life if you count the cost first. Count the cost. I'm saying it again, count the cost. Don't just go with this kind of Eldorado kind of thinking and thinking that, you know, positive thinking, you don't have to worry about the cost. You're going to have to look at the cost. What does it cost you to do this? This new friendship, what will it cost you? This new partnership, what will it cost you? You know, Jesus was telling people, count the cost. Even following me, count the cost. Count the cost. Be reasonable. Be realistic. Look at what you are doing. I found out that people tell you to come and build a house. They will not quickly count the money for you. They don't count the cost. And then you get to part of the house, you get it abandoned. Count the cost. Count the cost. Count the cost. Count the cost. That is not a nice word to hear, but it'll take you very far in life. Don't ever forget that. Whatever you do, sit down first and count the cost. Look at it and ask yourself, can I pull through with this? Do I have enough energy, strength, resources to pull this through? And if I cannot pull it through, can I get more to pull me through? Let's get the job done. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful, wonderful time.